In social housing, listening to your residents isn't optional, it's the standard. With more tenant feedback being collected than ever before, do you ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of feedback you have to analyse? Are you unsure what you need to change to improve your TSM scores? And is your CX programme delivering measurable improvement? I'm Sarah from Word Nerds, although everyone calls me Saz. And for the last 15 years, we've been at the forefront of using AI, combining the power of linguistics and tech to turn feedback into data-driven insight. Since the introduction of the TSMs, we've developed customizable frameworks that are used by housing associations up and down the country, transforming their resident feedback into prioritised actions that make a real difference to tenants' lives. We've created a system that helps you analyse feedback to understand your customers, drill down beyond surface-level insight, get to the crux of your tenants' feelings, and show the impact it makes on TSM scores, reduction in complaints, and the metrics you care about. We know it's important to be able to get to insights faster, and how important it is for those insights to be accurate. With WordNerds, you can train our AI using your data in around 15 minutes, reaching 85 to 95% accuracy. It's as simple as clicking on what you want to be included and excluded from your theme. A handy health breakdown shows accuracy and progress levels, meaning you can be confident in the outputs. We've also pre-built 126 themes for housing associations so you can get started right away. Finding insights in your feedback is more than just servicing issues, it's about effortlessly sizing issues and drilling down to find the specific actions that can drive positive change in residents' lives and drive up tenant satisfaction. So we always start with a top-level analysis, and this is a quick overview with the most frequently discussed topics, for example, repairs, which always comes up top, and the drivers of positive and negative sentiment, and then we drill down using the TSM framework that's built in, so you can see the different categories on the left here, the key drivers of those categories, and then the crossover themes. So from this, I'm going to click safety, and then I can see straight away within safety what are the key drivers that are affecting that issue, and they're all broken down on this side. If I click into damp and mould, I can then again see the crossover themes. So for damp and mould, what are the key issues, what's affecting the score, and I can see very quickly that fences and walls is one of the topics that's coming up. One more click and I'm into the verbatim straight away. I can see what's associated with that particular deep dive that I've just done. I can read through some of the comments and get a real feel for what the problem is. And then from this, I can create an action plan of things I need to do to increase the customer sentiment. When your recommendations have been implemented, you'll want to show the impact. Our Power BI integration provides you and your team with easy access to resident feedback, creating a single source of truth for decision-making and measuring the impact of your actions. You can see how sentiment improves over time and see the specific actions that are driving positive and negative comments, so you can be seen as a progressive force and the driver of positive change in the business. With WordNerds, you can finally track, measure, and show the value of customer experience. We work with housing associations of all sizes, from 3,000 homes to some of the largest housing associations. People like the Guinness Partnership, Sovereign, Plymouth Homes, Town and Country, and Raven Housing Trust, who have all been able to action insights from the WordNerds platform and show their impact. You've collected the feedback, let's make it count. Book a free discovery call today, and let's drive meaningful improvements to the lives of your tenants.